aming performance sa MAPE.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. So for today's video, explore na to ang MAPE. MAPE is the consists of 4 components, which is music, arts, PE, and health. So first, ang atong explore is music. Sa music, kay tugtog mig instrument. Again, with my first is music, which is playing of instrument. I'm here with my teammates who can play some instrument. What is like samples?
XB.
Second is art. And I'm here with Precious Nag-sketch. Papalo ko guys na ang sketching ay maka-enhance siya to activity and improves focus and strength hand-eye coordination. And it's a great way to express emotion and maka-reduce social stress and develop your patience. Plus, it allows you to capture ideas, moments, in a unique personal way. Char! Wow! Ay, day.
Wow, wow, wow.
Zumba is fun. A high-energy workout that combines dance and fitness moves to an upbeat music. It helps improve cardio endurance, burns calories, strength, and muscles, all while boosting mood and reducing stress. Plus, it's a great way to socialize and stay motivated. Ay, wala ka!
Naghintay ka ba? Wala na. It's a prank.
Joke lang po! Next is cycling. Cycling is a great full body workout that improves heart health, strengthens muscles, and boosts endurance. It also low impact, make it easy on joints. Plus, it helps reduce stress, burn calories, and can be an eco-friendly way to explore your surroundings. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Hope you like our video. Hit like and subscribe. And disclaimer, this is for our final requirements for MAPE 9 purposes only. Goodbye.